Francis S. Assison. Today we are going to do an experiment. This experiment is all about rising water. It is not magic, it's about science. So we have water, about a bottle, alcohol, phosphorus, and quantities of paper. First, we put the water in a bowl. Then, put the alcohol in the pot. Then next, let's
Parang na-overcook ko na.
experiment explains firstly. To reach the equilibrium, the air decreases, so the water rises to the bottom. That's all. Thank you.